What's up everyone, it's Bongani. In our last video, we learned how to multiply brackets together. Today we are doing the exact opposite. We are taking expressions apart. We are factorizing. If expanding is multiplying brackets, factorizing is putting expressions back into bracket. By the end of this video, you will know the four main methods to solve almost any problem. Now, before you try anything complicated, always look for a common factors first. This is the golden rule. For example, we have 2x squared plus 4x. Look at the numbers 2 and 4. The highest common factors is 2. Is 2 because we can divide both by 2. Now look at the variables x squared, x. The highest common factor is x. At numbers we say the highest common factor is 2. At variables the highest common factor is x. Now we will do like this. We will pull out 2x to this from this expression. When you divide both sides by 2x, remember we said if the bases are the same, when you divide you minus exponent. Then when you divide both by 2x, this one it will give you x. Then this one here 2x, it will give you 2. When we pull out 2x from this expression, we will be left with x plus 2. This is your answer when you factorize. This is your answer. 2x squared plus 4x. Your answer is 2x in bracket x plus 2 when you factorize. First of all, you look highest common factors, then you pull them out. Method number 2. Method number 2, if you have two terms and a minus sign, you are likely looking at the difference of two squares. The rule is this: a squared minus b squared. The rule is this: it will be written as a in bracket minus b, then a plus b. Only if you have something like this. Let me give you example. Let's say we have x squared minus 9. Check if you have two terms separated by a minus sign, and both are perfect squares. Square root of x squared, square root of x squared is equals to x. Then 9, it can also written as square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So this one we will solve it like this. We will solve it like this. We will write 2 brackets. One bracket gets a positive sign, one get negative sign. Square root of x squared is x. We will write x here and this side. Then square root of 9 is 3. We will write 3 here and 3 here. This is how you factorize difference of two squares. Simple. Let me give you another example. Let me give you another example. Let's say we have x squared minus 25. You write brackets, positive sign, another negative sign. Square root of x squared is x. Then 25, you know you can write it as, then you understand the square root of it is 5. So x here you will write 5, you write 5. Remember guys, remember that if x plus 25 cannot be factorized this way, you factorize this way only if it has a negative sign, not positive sign. Number 3, this is the one. Number 3, trinomials. This is the one that usually scares people who are looking for factors of the last number, that add up to the middle number. Example, x 2 squared plus 5x plus 6. The logic here is what two numbers multiply to 6. Two numbers that you multiply, they give you 6, but when you add them, they give you 5. The answer here is 2 and 3. When you multiply 2 with 3, it will give you 6. And when you add them, it will give you 5. So your answer for this problem, you will do it like this. You will open two brackets, then you take, because of this x, you will put x and x. Then you will take those two numbers, one here, other here. Then you put a positive sign. This is your answer. To get factors from trinomials, you must find two numbers that you multiply, they will give you the last number, but when you add them, they will give you the middle number. Another method is grouping. What if you see 4 terms? We use grouping. Group the first two and the last two. Example, let me give ax plus ay plus bx plus by. We will group them. We will take out a on the first group, on group 1. It will be a, we take out a, we will left with x plus y. Then on the second group, we will take out b plus b, x, we will left with x plus y. Now we will take out the bracket x, y as a common factor. It's a common bracket factors. So it will be like this. When we take out a xy as a common factor, we take out x plus y. We will left with a plus b. It's a grouping method. This one, it's a grouping method. Another method, this is new for grade 10. Sum and differences of the two cubes. We use a tiny bracket and a big bracket. You must always understand those rules. Example, our rules here, we will start by opening a small bracket. So we will look the cube of a, like cube root of this one is equals to a. We will put a. And then we will look cube root of cube b. Cube root of cube b is b. And then always we keep the sign must be the same. Then we will open a big bracket. A big bracket. We will take a always we multiply it by 8. 8 multiplied by a is a squared. And then it's a squared. And then the sign always must be opposite of the original equation. We keep opposite sign of the original equation. And then we must multiply a with b, like a multiplied by b. It's equals to a b. We will write a b. And then the sign must the last sign always, the last sign, it must be positive always. Whether here we have negative or positive, the sign of the last in big bracket always must be positive. And then we multiply b by b. Then here it will be b squared. Let me give you if we have a negative sign, a minus b cubed is equals to, in small bracket, a, then we keep the original sign negative, then we write a b, then we open the big one, we multiply by its a multiplied by a is a squared, and then a multiplied by b. On the sign we do opposite. We put opposite sign of the original equation. Here we have negative, mean the opposite of this negative is positive. And then we will say a multiplied by b is a b. And then always we must keep positive sign, and then b multiplied by b is b squared. To remember this rule, keep this one SOP to remember the sign, in order. S stands for same sign as the original, same sign as the original equation. And then sign number 2 is O, opposite sign to the original equation. Then the last one is AP, always positive sign, always positive sign. Let me give you example. Let's say we have a a problem x cubed plus 8. To factorize this, first check if both are cubes. X cubed is x cubed is square root of cube root of x cubed is x. And then 8 we know is 2 times 2 times 2, mean the cube root of 8 is 2, because 8 you can also write as this one. We will open small bracket, we will open a small bracket, and then we will cube root the first term, this one, then it's x, then we keep a same sign as a original equation, and then we will cube the second one. The second term is 2. Then we open big bracket, we will square the first term, this one, we will square it, it's a x squared. And then we will multiply x multiply by 2, and we keep a opposite sign of the original equation. Opposite of a positive is negative, and then we multiply x and 2, and then it will give us 2x. And then always we keep the last sign is positive, and then we will square 2. We will square 2 is equals to 4, is equals to 4, and then we will write 4. This is the final answer when we factorize the cubes. Another example. Let's say we have 27y cubed is equals to minus 1. Minus 1. To factorize this, we must look, is it a difference of cubes? Yes. Cube root of 27 is 3. 27 can be written as 3 cubed. And then our equation, it will look like this. And then cube root, yes, then cube of 1 is 1, always 1. Whether we will write 3 on top is still the same. So 1, we will do like this. We will open small bracket, take cube root of cube root square cube root of 3 cube is 3, and then of y is y, and then we'll keep the original sign, and then we write 1 open big bracket, we square 3y is equals to 9y squared. We'll write 9y squared. And then opposite sign multiplied by this is 3y multiplied by 1 is 3y, and then always must be positive, and then it's 1, whether we square is 1, then done. This is our final answer. Another last example. Let's say we have 2x cubed plus 16. Here be careful, 2 is not a cube number, 16 is not a cube number. Remember the golden rule. Factor out the common factors first. We must take out the common factors. Here we will take out 2. We're left with x cubed plus, when we take out we divide 16 with 2 is 8, and then we can start to factorize. We will do like this: 2, and then we open a small bracket, we keep the original sign, and then is 2. Open the big bracket, x squared, opposite sign of the original equation, and then x multiplied by 2 is 2x, always positive sign, and then square of 2 is 4. Then it's our final answer. Remember, factorizing is the reverse of expanding. If you can expand brackets correctly, you can also factorize them correctly. Before I end this video, I need you to solve this question. So yes, then I will show you how to solve those questions in the next video. And always remember this when you are factorizing. Is there a common factor? Is it a difference of 2 squares? Is it a trinomial? Are there 4 terms for grouping? Practice those and you will ace your exam. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more grade 10 math help. See you in the next one. Bye.